Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, let's take a look at the radar, and boy, there are a number of storms out there. Kind of two areas, to the west and to the east, and not around Highway 83. And at this point, it's staying away from the McQuaid tournament, but I can't guarantee that's going to happen throughout the night. So let's take a look, and there was some lightning a little while ago, but right now it's between Elgin and Flasher, some thunder and lightning. A lot of Grant County has thunderstorms. It appears to be heading more towards New Salem than Bismarck, but hopefully it won't drift to the east and impact the softball tournament. Looks like some storms around Hettinger, and also from Beach up through just to the west of Newtown and Watford City and Williston, up towards Crosby, over in Montana. Just a number of small thunderstorms. Any one of those could have a little bit of hail on them. Now, the second section is actually well to the east, and you can see all these little dots of red. You can see the lightning on there, and then farther to the south, not much going on. So that's good. And as far as the tournament goes tonight, this really is the main concern that's in Grant County. If it goes straight north, it won't be a problem. If it drifts east, then it will be a problem. We'll have to see what's going on. But 85 degrees, the dew point's at 54, humidity 34%, southeast wind at 13 miles an hour in Bismarck. In Minot, pretty cloudy sky as well. The temperature 84 degrees, southeast winds at 16, and the humidity in Minot at 38%. In Williston, 76 degrees. The humidity is 52% in Williston. And you can see Dickinson, clouds in the sky. Pretty dry, at least right now in Dickinson. Humidity 59%. So we have an area where it's certainly cooler, and that's where we've had all the rain today. 60s at Medora right now, 68 in Medora. Harvey at 79. Hettinger only 73 degrees. The wind has dropped off a little bit in the south. For most of the day, it's been 10 to 15 miles an hour from the south, and I don't think there are any places that are any stronger than that right now. Yeah, they're all under 15 miles an hour in the south and in the north, and the dew points are in the mid to upper 50s to around 60 degrees. So it's humidity that you can feel, but it's not sultry, but it certainly feels like summertime. And this is plenty enough moisture for thunderstorms to drop a lot of rain. That's a lot. Those are fairly high dew points. What we don't have is a lot of wind shear going on, so we're not expecting much in the way of severe weather. The severe weather is down south, okay? But for most of the week, you can see a really good circulation here in Montana. It's not quite as tight of a circulation now, but this is all going to move east. So what that means for you tomorrow is the storm track is basically going to shift east from the west to the central and east. So the future radar shows maybe some storms around the Bismarck area around 8 o'clock. This would be the area that we have the best potential for storms and rain tonight. And then during the overnight hours, it looks like a lot of this is going to wind down. And then once we get to tomorrow morning, there shouldn't be a whole lot of rain, but things could begin to develop as we start getting the heating of the day. And then tomorrow afternoon, maybe kind of a carbon copy of what we just are going through today. So the temperatures will be in the 50s and 60s to start the day, but they are going to start warming up, and with that warmer air and the moisture that's in place, the atmosphere is going to be unstable. Thunderstorms are going to be developing. So for the next several days, including through Tuesday, we have almost daily chances of storms in the north and the south. I think Tuesday the best odds of storms will be in the north, not the south, but for this weekend, just the stronger storms in western North Dakota. Tomorrow might be closer to Highway 83, give or take a little bit. So it's going to be kind of a close call around McQuaid this weekend.
Yeah, we got hundreds of games to get in, so let's hope it holds off. Thanks, Tom. Coming up next.